There we go. Hey guys, well, last night we woke up, or I should say power went out, and that's where I just stepped. We got about a foot of snow, and we're up here in northwest Georgia. I can't even see Lookout Mountain, which is out in front of us here. Yeah, power went out last night at 9:55 and hasn't been restored since. So we just kind of hunkered in and went to sleep. There's Aranza's car. As first I've been out, I just wanted to kind of take a look around and see what's going on.